Choosing the right fishing rod can feel more complicated than it needs to be. With so many options out there, it's easy to get caught up in fancy features or flashy branding, but the truth is, a solid rod just needs to match your fishing style. Whether you're after something lightweight for travel, durable for weekend trips, or just a dependable option for everyday use, there's a rod out there that fits. In this video, we've narrowed it down to 6 of the best fishing rods for 2026, breaking down their key features and trade-offs. Product links are in the description below. Number 6, KastKing Perigee 2 Fishing Rod. If you're just starting out or looking for a solid all-rounder without going over budget, the KastKing Perigee 2 is worth a closer look. It's especially appealing for casual anglers who want a rod that can handle a variety of situations, whether you're heading out to the lake on the weekend or fishing the local river after work. What really stands out here is the option to choose between casting or spinning models, depending on your reel preference. The Perigee 2 includes a twin-tip setup, meaning you get 2 interchangeable tips, medium and medium-heavy, which adds flexibility if you're targeting different species or switching between finesse and power presentations. The rod uses a 24-ton carbon matrix blank, which gives it a lightweight build without compromising on strength. That makes it responsive enough to detect light bites, while still having the backbone to handle a fight. Additional features include Fuji O-ring line guides for smooth casting and an ergonomic graphite reel seat that stays comfortable through long sessions. It also has a built-in hook keeper, a nice touch for quick rigging and safe storage. The Perigee 2 comes in both one-piece and two-piece models, though keep in mind that two-piece isn't the most compact option for travel, and a rod tube isn't included. But for the price, you're getting a lot of functionality packed into one setup. Overall, it's a great entry point for beginners, or a secondary rod for more experienced anglers looking for affordable versatility. Number 5, St. Croix Triumph Spinning Rod. The St. Croix Triumph. Spinning rod is built for anglers who take their freshwater fishing seriously and value both sensitivity and craftsmanship. It's a step up from basic setups, making it a smart choice if you're ready to invest in a rod that feels and performs at a higher level. At the core is Sky carbon construction, which offers a refined blend of power, responsiveness, and sensitivity. This makes it a great match for finesse techniques, such as drop shots or lightweight soft plastics where subtle feedback really matters. It's light in the hand, well balanced, and reduces fatigue even during long days on the water. The rod is fitted with Sea Guide Atlas performance guides and aluminum oxide rings, which allow for smooth casting and minimize line friction. It's also finished with 2 coats of Flex Coat Slow Cure epoxy, adding a level of durability that protects the blank and keeps the rod looking clean over time. A premium cork handle rounds things out, offering a secure and comfortable grip even when wet. It's the kind of detail that adds up, especially when precision and control are key. One thing to note is the price. It's not entry-level, and the stiffer action on some models may not suit ultralight styles. But if you're aiming to upgrade your gear for improved performance, this rod delivers. For intermediate to experienced anglers, the Triumph offers reliable quality and dependable performance, without feeling overbuilt or overly complex. Number 4, OKUMA Celilo Graphite Spinning Rod. If you're looking for a dependable rod without spending a lot, the OKUMA Celilo Graphite Spinning Rod is a solid pick. It's especially suited for beginners or budget-conscious anglers who want a lightweight setup for trout, panfish, and other light freshwater species. The price point is low, but it still brings more than just the basics. The rod features a sensitive graphite composite blank, which is responsive enough to feel light bites without feeling too brittle. It's matched with aluminum oxide guide inserts and stainless steel hooded reel seats that hold the reel securely and allow for smooth line flow. The components are simple but built with enough quality to handle regular use. On the water, the Celilo handles small lures and light lines really well. It casts smoothly and maintains good control with fish under a few pounds. The rod's balance is nice too. It doesn't feel tip-heavy or awkward, which is especially helpful for those new to spinning setups. The lightweight build means you can fish for hours without fatigue. It's worth noting that this rod is designed for lighter applications only. It won't be your go-to for bass or bigger freshwater species. Also, it doesn't come with any extras like a carrying case or advanced guide systems. Still, for the price, it's hard to argue with the value. If you're starting out or need a backup rod that performs reliably in light setups, the OKUMA Celilo is an easy recommendation. Number 3, Goture Travel Fishing Rod, 4-section carbon fiber. If you need a rod that's easy to pack without giving up real performance, the Goture 4-section travel fishing rod is a smart solution. Designed specifically for anglers on the move, it fits neatly into a backpack or carry-on, making it a great choice for travel, hiking, or anyone short on storage space at home. This rod is built with a 4-piece carbon fiber blank, which keeps the weight down while still providing solid strength. It has a CNC machined aluminum reel seat that holds your reel firmly in place, even after repeated use, and the stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts are designed to minimize line friction for smooth, consistent casting. Despite being collapsible, it holds its own on the water. The rod has a surprisingly strong backbone, making it capable of handling medium-sized freshwater species. Casting distance is impressive for a travel rod, and it offers good accuracy when placing lures near structure or along tight banks. There are a couple of trade-offs. It's a bit more rigid at the joints, which slightly reduces the sensitivity compared to a one-piece rod. And while setup is easy, it's not the best pick if you want something you can grab and cast in seconds. Still, it comes with a durable hard travel case, and once it's assembled, you won't feel like you're compromising much. For travel anglers or anyone with limited gear space, the Goture rod delivers portability without feeling like a backup. Number 2, Abu Garcia Veritas PLX Spinning Rod. The Abu Garcia Veritas PLX is designed for anglers who are looking for lightweight precision without giving up durability. It's well suited for experienced users who appreciate top-tier materials and refined design, especially for finesse fishing or techniques where feel and control are everything. Built with 36-ton graphite and infused with Powerlux 100 resin, this rod offers a strong, responsive blank that's surprisingly light in hand. It's engineered to reduce fatigue without losing the backbone needed for hook sets and control. You can fish longer without feeling worn down. One of the standout features is the ROX guide train, short for Robotically Optimized Casting System. This system maximizes casting distance and accuracy, especially with lighter lures. The titanium alloy guides with zirconium inserts also help reduce line friction, contributing to both smooth performance and long-term durability. The handle design leans into comfort with contours that fit well during long sessions. It offers a secure, ergonomic grip without bulk or unnecessary extras. It's worth noting this rod comes in at the higher end of mid-range pricing, and it may be more than a casual angler needs if they're not focused on technique-heavy setups. Still, if you're looking to upgrade or want something that performs with consistent sensitivity, casting control, and build quality, the Veritas PLX is a rod that delivers a high-end feel without jumping into premium pricing. Number 1, Ugly Stik GX2 Spinning Rod. When it comes to durability and reliability, the Ugly Stik GX2 Spinning Rod has long been a favorite for good reason. It's the kind of rod you can toss in the truck, drop on the dock, or lean against a tree without worrying it'll crack or splinter. For anglers who want a rod that just works and keeps working, the GX2 is hard to beat. At the heart of its design is ugly tech construction, which blends graphite and fiberglass to deliver both strength and some much-needed sensitivity. It's built tough, but still has enough give to feel what's happening at the end of your line. The clear tip design is another signature feature. It adds extra responsiveness right where you need it, making it easier to detect subtle bites without sacrificing the rod's durability. The Ugly Tough guides are made from single-piece stainless steel, so there are no inserts to crack or pop out over time. That means fewer worries about maintenance or replacement parts. Paired with a comfortable EVA grip, the GX2 offers a secure, slip-free hold even when wet. It is a bit heavier than a full graphite rod, and those targeting ultralight presentations may find it less sensitive than high-end options. But for everything else, from panfish to catfish, it holds up incredibly well. Whether you're just starting out or want a rod that can handle rough use, the GX2 remains one of the most practical and long-lasting choices on the market. That wraps up our list of the top 6 fishing rods for 2026. Remember, the best rod for you really comes down to how and where you fish. Whether you need something compact for travel, budget-friendly, built for tough conditions, or fine-tuned for sensitivity and control. Each option here brings something useful to the table. Check out the links in the description for more info, and let us know which rod fits your style. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.